Two ducks, a dog, and a Kiwi bird. Two ducks, a dog, and a Kiwi bird. Two ducks, a dog, and a Kiwi bird. Two ducks, a dog, and a Kiwi bird.
Hither, white, nowhere, gray and green. We're the meanest little ducks you have ever seen. We're taking eggs from over easy and scramble nice. But Roll can kick your ass, then I'm over your place. Yeah, he's bound, you know, like when you found on the toilet bowl. Two ducks, a dog, and a Kiwi bird. Two ducks, a dog, and a Kiwi bird. It's all different colors like you drink too much. And you draw up on your mother and it don't look real nice. And when he speaks, it's just meep, meep, meep. And a Kiwi bird. Two ducks, a dog, and a Kiwi bird. Two ducks, a dog, and a Kiwi bird. Two ducks, a dog, and a Kiwi bird.
Hello! How are you doing? Oh, I'm good. Couldn't be better. Couldn't be better. I just got home from the gym. I did a 2,000 calorie workout, and then when I was done, I threw up after. I'm training for an ultra marathon. That's anything more than 26.2 miles. Why don't you come on over and hang out? Okay. Goodbye. See you soon. Bye.
Baby, look at that.
Hey, baby, want me to scramble your eggs?
What the hell's that supposed to mean? No chick's gonna lay any eggs for you if you talk to them like that. Especially with them damn glasses on.
It's important to practice good hygiene, at least if you wanna run with my...
Hey man, I think we're forgetting something. I mean, we bought everything at the store except for the kitchen sink.
Yeah, we already got one of those.
What's it? Chicken! Buffy, do your ninja stuff.
I got a suit. You seen it? But it got mud on it. You guys don't have a 1-hour cleaner. And the only shop you had that sells suits has got the flu. You get that? The whole store has got the flu. And I had to go to a second-hand shop, and I wore this ridiculous thing.
Hey Jake, you want some chicken?
Jake! It's chicken! Don't you remember it from the last show? No, I don't.
Why?
'Cause they are cousins, and you don't eat your cousins.
Oh.
Anyway, I have a couple of friends that are coming over, and they are chickens, and they would be very mad at us.
Oh, what do they look like?
They're brown and white.
Oops. And they're coming for dinner?
Yes.
I think they already came.
And what? Yeah, they came alright. They came for dinner. Yum. No! No! What? No!
Oh, come on, Jake. What do I gotta do to cheer you up?
Okay, I'm a hungry bitch.
Oh, we bought some food. If you don't want to eat any chicken, that is. Hey, what's that sound?
Why no more food?
And I'll eat my effing mustard too. Let's get 'em!
I'm doing what should have been done a long time ago.
Ralphie, what are you doing around the house?
Earth is a vastness, hollow vacuum, chop the oxygen tanks. They hibernate, but how they kiss the ground, pucker up and kiss the asphalt now. Tease this, amputation, splintered larynx, shit has access now.
You better see my new animated series, or else I'm gonna come and get you with my eyebrows. I will. Well, pick out your eyes. Pick them out. See my new animated series because everyone should learn about the ducks. We started everything. All the ideas that you see come out today are from the ducks. You know that movie, All Dogs Go to Heaven? It used to be All Ducks Go to Heaven, but those dogs stole it from us. It teaches children to eat all their vegetables, get plenty of rest, and not cry when mean little cabooses and boxcars make fun of them.